Yo, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see what is new on Spotify. So there's various different ways of how you can see what is new on Spotify. You can go on Google, you can ask your friends, but Spotify has a new feature that you can use and you just tap on that button and you can see all your what's new songs. So if I tap on Spotify right now to open it up, then at the top right hand corner, you're going to see these icons, a bell, a timer, and a settings gear icon. The one that we are looking for and the one that we need to tap on is the little bell icon right over there. So if I tap on the bell icon, it's just going to load up for a moment and then it shows you all these songs that are currently new in accordance to what you regularly listen to. So it has an algorithm based off what you listen to on Spotify. It's going to show you some results here. So it's going to be different for everyone. And you can see you have a music tab. So you can see all the different songs that are new. And if you close out that, you can go to podcasts and shows, and we'll show you all these podcast episodes that you could potentially go ahead and listen to or watch if it is a video podcast. So that's how you see what is new on Spotify. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.